whenever you write an HTTP request, right, then it goes to the port 80 by default. It's unset that if you are calling any website on HTTP, it's going to the port 80, and if you are calling a website on HTTPS, it's going to the port 443. This is by default. This is unset. Unset means unwritten, but it is assumed there. So if you will call this this website on port 80, that also means that you are calling on HTTP. But you will say that, Saksham, we have called it on port 3000, but we have used HTTP also. Then how is it so? The fact is that if you will not write any port, right, if you will write 3000, then it will go to port 3000. But if you are not writing anything, then it means that you have called the app on 443 for HTTPS and 80 for HTTP. Okay, so HTTPS, to call your app on this, to call your app on port 443, you have to get the certificate. So by default, we are currently calling on HTTP, which is unsafe, unsecure. So we are calling on HTTP port number 80. So see, listen, on port 80, what does this mean? That any request which is of the HTTP type, and let's say it has the server name of Let's Connect, etc., redirect location means redirect proxy path to HTTP localhost :